What's good, YouTube? It's your girl TomDoll, and I'm back with another video. Bruh, today I'm finna be doing a little clean with me. So, y'all know we just finna vibe out. So, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Yeah. Yeah. Look who take off. Lusu, eh. Down south. You don't let nobody put you down south menu. Try to put healing. Though I was giving. Outside, little thoughts. I get caught. So tired, but I was unfolding. That's in love. I miss you small and I gave you the roses. Bro, to my twin flame, but that love burned out. Burned out. I would change the world just for us to work out. But I just have to move on. Cause I don't wanna be 20 something. Still in my profile on Tinder, missing what you asked, I would have given. You gon' make me a gold digger. Yeah, now you wanna be, but you gon' make a whole lot of niggas be making a difference with you. Know what I was missing, what you asked, I would have given.
That's when you opened up your heart and you told me to come and my love is from you.
Bad bitch, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got big energy. It ain't too many niggas that can handle me, but I might let you try it out the Hennessy. Make them sing to this melody. And it
should I call first? I can't decide. I want to, but I got pride. Switching up, touch with. Yep, in a while.
acting like you don't know nothing but a dive.
I'm gonna do what you allow.
Your friends down, the music loud. I can tell you ain't laughing.
Sorry y'all for the lighting, but I'm getting ready to season my carpet, so I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, so I'm finna give y'all the room tour. We're gonna start with my clothing rack. I got this clothing rack from Amazon for like $35. Most of my jackets came from Shein. One of them was made by someone, and I think the other two might have came from Forever 21 or Rainbow, one of them. But don't talk about the Rainbow, because the Rainbow be having the good jean jackets, girl. So go get you one. Okay, next we have my little chill area. I got my calendar and my keys and stuff. You know, you see it. The little nice chair. So yeah. Okay, so on this side we got my little TV stand. I want to mount my TV and stuff, But I got my ropes, my little jewelry, mirror. You can see it all, you know, the little settle. This is my picture wall. On the other side, you'll see in a second, I have a picture wall. I didn't hang my curtains yet. Don't come for me. So yeah, this is my picture wall. That picture keep falling. Don't mind it. My bed, I am gonna get me some more decorative pillows, so that should be good. And I kind of want to get a headboard too, y'all. Headboards cost an arm and a leg. Okay, so now we in the closet. The closet is not really much to see. I just kind of put my stuff in a certain order, like the joggers, shorts, all that. This is where I hang my stuff at, you know, regular stuff, games up there, and all type of stuff. This is where I have my bags. It's not really much, so yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed TURNUP me. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want to, leave me some music suggestions down in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.